13 scanners, 1 brand, and one very fair question. Which one is actually for you? Because here's the truth. Most people either overpay for functions they'll never open or save $50 and hit a wall in 6 months. Both are expensive mistakes. So this is the no-nonsense buying guide. 3 questions, 3 tiers, and by the end, every single tool gets a one-line verdict. Who should buy it? And just as important, who shouldn't? The full map builds as we go. Let's sort you out. Before any model names, answer 3 things. 1. Do you just want to know why the light is on, or do you want to actually fix things? Brakes, resets, testing components. 2. Is this for one daily driver or a whole driveway, including maybe a truck or a bike? 3. The expensive question, will you ever need coding? Retrofits, new modules, hidden features. Your 3 answers land you in one of 3 tiers. Watch how fast this gets easy. Tier 1, the check engine light killers. The MA Series, pocket-sized, plug-and-play, zero learning curve. This tier answers exactly one question: what's wrong, and can I clear it? The MA100 is the entry ticket. Reads codes, clears codes, battery check, done. Verdict card, buy the MA100 if you own 1 car and 1 question. Why is my light on? Skip it if you ever plan to touch a brake caliper. Step up to the MA200 family and you unlock every system: ABS, airbags, transmission, not just engine, plus 6 everyday resets: oil, EPB, throttle relearn, and friends, with auto VIN so it knows your car instantly. Verdict: buy the MA200 Plus if you want full system answers and basic maintenance in your glove box. It's the best first real scanner in the lineup. Tier 2, the sweet spot, and honestly where most of you will land. The UR Series brings the game changer, bidirectional control. Remember this? Commanding the fuel pump from the screen? That happens here. The UR300 is the cheapest door into bidirectional world. All systems active tests, CANFD for newer cars. Verdict: buy the UR300 if you want to command components without breaking $200. It's Tier 2 power in Tier 1 clothes. The UR600 takes the 300 and adds ECU coding and deeper service coverage. Verdict: buy the UR600 if the 300 tempts you, but the word coding made your ears perk up. And the UR1000 Tier 2 royalty. 7-inch Android screen, 50 service functions, complete TPMS programming with the module built in, CANFD. Every reset from our service video and every command from our bidirectional video ran on this one tool. Verdict: buy the UR1000 if you maintain the whole household fleet and want one tool that does 90% of everything. For most serious DIY ears watching, this is your answer and you can stop the video here. But if you code cars or run a side business, Tier 3, Tier 2 ceiling, no J2534 programming, no ADAS calibration, no Pro accessory ecosystem. If those acronyms mean nothing to you, you're a Tier 2 buyer. Congratulations. If they made you lean in, Tier 3, dealer level without the dealer invoice. The JU2000 Max isn't a scanner, it's a diagnostic ecosystem. 10-inch tablet. Oh, E-level coding. J2534 pass-through, so it programs modules with the manufacturer's own software. ADAS calibration support, a video scope, TPMS sensors, and adapters for classics all the way back to the 90s. JU2000 and JU2000 Max share the same software brain, same diagnostics, same coding. The Max adds the full hardware kit, the pass-through, the scope, the sensors, the classic car adapters. Verdicts: buy the JU2000 if you want flagship software and already own your accessories. Buy the Max if your tools earn you money. One paid job covers the difference. And the honest brake pedal. If you'll never program a module or calibrate a camera, Tier 3 is beautiful money wasted. The UR1000 will make you just as happy for less. Buy the tool for the jobs you'll actually do. Now the specialist, because not everything in the driveway is a sedan. Got a rig, a fleet truck, diesel commercial gear. That's the HDS 737 heavy-duty brands preloaded. Cummins, Freightliner, Kenworth, with DPF rigging and the resets that keep a working truck working. Verdict: buy it if your car has 18 wheels. Lightning round, the 4 dilemmas I get asked every week. MA200 Plus or UR300? If you'll ever test a component instead of just reading about it, UR300 no contest. UR300 or UR1000. 1 car, tight budget, 300. Family fleet, TPMS. Heavy service work. The 1000 earns its price tag monthly. UR1000 or JU2000 Max? Simple test. Does anyone pay you to work on cars? No. Keep the 1000. Yes, the Max is a business expense. Act like it. And I've only got $100? MA100 zero shame. It answers the question that matters most, and you can always climb the ladder later. Lifetime free updates mean no tier ever expires on you. Here's the whole family on one screen. Screenshot it, send it to the friend who keeps asking. And if you skipped everything, 3 shortcuts. First scanner ever, MA200 Plus. Most people, most cars, most jobs, UR1000. Making money with it, JU2000 Max. Whichever tier is yours, every iCARZONE comes with the same promise. Pay once, upgrade forever, no subscriptions ever. Model links, the full comparison chart, and our vehicle coverage checker are all in the description. Still torn between two? Drop your car and your use case in the comments as we answer everyone.